So today we're going to take a look at when someone follows you on Instagram, how to automatically say hello and send them either your link, your website, something like that. This is a free AI that I'm going to connect you with that'll just do this for you. It'll help raise your views and your followers. If you haven't followed on my YouTube channel, please do like and subscribe. We appreciate you. So right now I'm just showing you, here's my YouTube channel, yay. And then if I go here, this is the AI that we're going to use. It's called ManyChat. Okay, ManyChat. It's free. Make a free account, log in, make a free account. Now, I don't have a channel added yet. So when I add a channel, I'm going to walk through the process and show you how to do that. If you already have a channel added with like a Facebook, Instagram, something like that, you'll have a sidebar here on the left and you'll have settings. And then you'll go to settings, add channel. Again, I don't have any channels, so I'm going to add a new account. Once I click new account, I want Instagram, but these are all the different type I can use. So I'm going to go to Instagram, and then I'm going to connect via Meta, and then it's going to log me in, hopefully, to my Instagram without any trouble. There we go, log into Instagram. And then once I'm in, right here, perfect, continue. Let me let it load up. Let's see if it'll pick it up or not. It's saying invalid URL, of course. Okay, so I connected my Instagram. Now, because this is my first time my Instagram is connected, I'm going to say, who is this for? This is for myself. And then next. And then it's going to say, do you typically make money from the account? Or how do, if I'm going to make money, I'm going to put say anything. I don't monetize my account. And then what are you using any other apps or anything that you want to do? I'm just going to click OpenAI, for example. And then how did you hear about us? I'm just going to say other. And I'll say social media, just to keep it simple. All right, so now I'm in. I've done my little setup. Then here I'm going to start with the free plan. So here we are. We're connected. I got my free plan. I'm ready to go. So right here, I can send a link from my comments, or I can respond to all my DMs. So I'm going to look here and say right here, respond to my DMs. And as you can see, anyone who comes in, I can leave a little message in here. And then I can do a price, a link. So if I put a link in here, it can do anything like that. I can add whatever I want to kind of do it like that. So I skipped through just to go back to this main page so you can kind of see where everything is. Like I showed you before, if you're here, you have your profile, you have everything on the left. So this is where a lot of people auto DM links from my comments. You can do that. You can generate leads with stories. You can also go ahead and respond to all your DMs. I can explore other templates if I want, and I can respond. I can do all these things. So I'm going to stick to the one we started before, auto DM links from comments. So if somebody comments like, awesome, I love your video, anything, I can just say, great, the comment is coming in instead of just a specific post. So I can build this for each post, like a certain post that I want to, but I'm going to do it for any post or reel. Oh, it's trying to get angry about that. So those are the pros. So I would have to pick a certain post for the free version that we're looking like that. And then once you pick it, I'm just going to pretend I'm going to pick this one. And then when it comes in, I'm going to say, thanks for the comment. I look forward to working with you in the future, or something like that. Are you looking to buy or sell your next home? Anything like that. I could do it from a comment or any word or any reaction. I could do the same in the comment, anything like that. And then after that, I can click any of these. I can do the link. I can do anything like that. I can add the DM, anything. I'm going to hit info sent, look to your DM. And then if you hit save, it's going to drop down. And then here's the link. So you want to add a link at the bottom here after you do that. So once you add a link, I'm just going to go and grab, Let's see if I have mine open. I'm going to grab my website, for example, as my link. And this could be a link to anything that you're doing or offering. And then once I grab my website, I'm going to click here to add a link. And the link would be a website. And then I'm going to save it and be in there. So now I have it. I have my link. It's my website. And then I'm ready to go. So it's that simple. And then when I set it live, so anything, it'll look like this. Thanks, so happy you're here. Thanks for so much for your interest. Click below and I'll send you the link. Send me the link. Great. Here's the link. And it goes right to the website. This way, anyone who clicks and goes to my website, anything like that. Now that was a video for ENV Title that we're helping them do some stuff. So I could probably do the website to the link to their website, not mine, because that doesn't go to the right place. So I'm going to go to website. I'm going to just change it right here. And then you see how easy it is to change it. You just build them out. Now, you notice that a lot of these say pro. I'm showing you the free version. It's worth it if you do the paid version, because when you do the paid version, anytime someone leaves you a follow or starts to follow, you can automatically reply back with them and be like, hey, thank you so much. Da, da, da. I'm going to follow now. And then you can shoot them a link when they do an offer. So if you're doing, say you want to do like for real estate, say you're going to offer someone a free home valuation. You can do a video about that. Hey, here's a free home value, etc. And then you would link it. Anyone who says learn more, I want my value. You can link it back to your website like I have open. And on the website at the top where it says sell, you'd be able to grab that and get your free home value right there on the website where it says sell. So you can tie the post. That's why it is good if you're going to do a lot of social media, especially if you're starting to get a lot of followers or things like that. Connect it to your mini chat and then connect the automation together. It makes a big difference to automate everything. And then that way you don't have to follow up manually. Every time you're doing a post, every time you're doing something, you can do that. Now, right now, as you can see, I can do 1,000 messages for free, which is great. And then I'm good to go. And I'm going to hit set live and it's going to lock it up. And there it is. Boom. Now it's live. And I'm ready to go. That easy. So if you want to do that, it was that simple. And then you see I have all these here. If I go back to my settings, I can check all this other stuff. I can add more channels. You see I have a bunch of channels here on the left. If I want to add a different channel for a different type of post, WhatsApp, all this can be connected. And then again, all the automation, everything you want to extend. So if I have another, say I have a great TikTok channel or a Facebook, I'm sorry, not TikTok, or Messenger, Facebook Messenger, SMS, anything like this can be connected to your mini chat and make it so everything is more easily automated, and then it's ready to go. So now again, home, you can see I have this ready to go. I can look at everything. They give you kind of ideas, and then it says, okay, this looks great. Your automations are great. You want to keep doing it. Keep your attention. I can send affiliate link products. So say I have an affiliate product that I'm selling, I can do videos and everything. And when someone clicks, thank you, follow, anything like that, you can instantly send them the links where they can buy the next product. All that kind of stuff is already connected. There's a lot you can do. And if I go to here to explore all templates, here are all the different templates I can do. Some of these, of course, are pro, you'd have to pay. And then all this stuff is things you can connect. So you can see there's so much you can do in ManyChat. It's a great product, great tool, and it's free for the first 1,000 conversations, which is a ton of people. So once you've done that, the contacts for 1,000 contacts, not conversations, contacts, it lets you connect everybody, and it's great that way. And then this way you can automatically send people to your website. You can send them messages. All that's automated through this free AI mini chat. Hope that was good. I'll talk to you soon.